Okay, so today's video I'm going to show you how to make a version of one of these tubes which we can use to make Turk's heads with. Now Ashley shows you a few different ways, wrapping paper around into a cylinder, using a metal tube, one with rope and pins, and that's what we're going to show you, one of these sort of tools. So what you can do is you can buy one of these online. This is one I made at home. So you have a cylinder of plastic piping, and then you can get these little grub screws and put them equally distant around the tube. You can buy a good version online. This is like I say, my homemade one. This one's a bit more complex for one of the cubes I was covering one time. So yeah, it can get quite involved. But as I try to angle this channel towards people that are new, may not have the budget to go and buy one of those kits, I'm going to show you how to make a cheap version. So I've got a cardboard tube. This is out of some tin foil, the inner tube of a tin foil, because it's quite tough, a lot tougher than like a kitchen roll tube or a loo roll tube. So this one, pretty tough. So you need something like that. I've got some T-pins which are quite useful, but not everyone has those, so hopefully you have some drawing pins. So we're going to use drawing pins for this. You can use tape, but it can get a little messy. So what we're going to do, just mark on them your points. So I'm just going to do four on the top, four on the bottom. Pop the pins in. So for this, I'm only going to use 4 at the start, so you get the idea. So there's a simple one. Now in a minute I'm going to do another video showing you how to use this for certain knots. What you can do is obviously add more pins to it. Now what you can do is keep them in line, or if you wanted to put them slightly further down. If you've got the chance to use different colours, that's really helpful, because you can say that one set is one colour, one set is another colour, help you tell them apart. Yeah, so I'll end up with 8 on the top and 8 on the bottom, and I'll put this video out with another video showing you how to use this. So there's our tube, which we can use these points to do the knots, the Turk's head on. The beauty about this sort of pattern is that you can just take the pins out and slide the knot off. With these, as you see, these little grubs, you can wind them in with an Allen key, and then you can slide the Turk's head off of the tube then. You can use something like a wooden post with some screws in. Obviously you'll have the head of the screw on top, which means you'll have to hook it over, so just be aware of that. Anything like this you can slide off or pull out should be pretty good for the job. Okay, so that's the knot tool, and hope that works. Thanks for watching.